12 tip. Hello. Yes, we are now in our tip number 12. So as you could remember, during our first trimester, I was asking you what are the things that you're doing, what are the food that you are eating before, and what are the type of food that you are eating today, and what are your activities today. So that will be answered in this split. It's either you eat 3 full meals in a day or eat small, frequent meals. Before I ask you what are your activities, for my case, I'm working inside the office and at the same time I go on field. So whenever I am inside the office, wherein I usually take some snacks, I take small, frequent meals. That means half amount of breakfast, snacks in the morning, half rice at noontime. Then I take another snacks and I eat my dinner. But when I'm on field, I eat 3 full meals in a day. It means 1 whole cup of rice in the morning, plus of course the chocolate and the milk. That's from our tip number 10, if you could still remember. Then at lunchtime, since I'm on the field, I forget to take some snacks in between. So at noontime, I take full meal again. That's 1 cup of rice plus vegetables. I don't usually buy meat, I eat vegetables with meat. There. With meat. There. With meat. There. I eat another full meal. And in the afternoon when I'm on field, I also forget to take some snacks because I'm too busy for me to eat another snack. So I wait for the dinner and I eat full meal during the dinner. So that's for our tip number 12. You have 2 choices of meals for you. That depends on the activities or the type of work, your lifestyle, your work. Small, frequent meal. 3 full meals. That's it. Bye-bye!
Mayo kayo nakakapit ka mo sa akong channel. Tiyan po niyo nung like nyo. Pindutan ang subscribe button. Pati